Do you want to know why the brand L'Oreal doesn't care about me and the brand Gillette doesn't care about you if you're a woman? It's not because they're sexist, it's not about they're against you, it's just that they have a very specific target market. So they're talking to specifically men or specifically women. So they don't really care about if the opposite sex hears their marketing or not. The mistake that you're making when you're putting out your dance class or you're putting out your product or your program, whatever you tried to put out online before, is that you're marketing to everyone. Why? Because I know that you think that your product can help anyone. But what happens is that when you speak to everyone, nobody's listening. So you need to be a specialist in what you're doing, as you are, but you're not marketing yourself as a specialist. You're marketing yourself as a general doctor, that when in fact you are a heart surgeon. So who do you go to when you have a very specific problem with your heart? Heart surgeon. When do you go to when you have a very specific problem with your teeth? A dentist. I was about to say tooth doctor, but you go to a dentist. Same thing should be with you. So stop marketing to everyone and start to narrow down your niche, your target market, and let's find your perfect future client. If you want help with finding your perfect future client, if you want help with understanding how to market so you can turn your passion into profit and live the lifestyle that you want, join my free Facebook group. The link should be around here somewhere if you're not in it already. I go live there, I teach there frequently, we do Q&A, I run over people's businesses, I help them to grow their passion into profits.